Okay, so for the ecology unit and project, we are doing saltwater estuary. Estuary. Yep. So for summer and winter climate information is 84 degrees and 66 degrees. 84 degrees being the summer and 66 degrees being the winter. So 3 examples of specific resource competition is larger fish, humans, and larger animals such as birds and other things. So one example of each type of symbolic relationship is mutualism. Remora gets a ride from hanging on to a shark on its belly, and the shark gets cleaned by the remora. And commensalistic is the sheep's head feeds off the docks and gets the barnacles for food, but the dock doesn't get harmed by that. Okay, so and for parasitic, a parasite grows on a pufferfish's eye, and now the pufferfish has limited vision out of its eye. So limiting factors is there's 2 density dependent and 2 density independent. So an example of 2 density dependent is an increase in algae and an increase in minnows. And 2 examples of density independent is a tsunami bringing lots of fish to shore and killing them, and a hurricane breaking the coral reef and killing them. 3 animals and a specific adaptation for survival for each animal is a sheep's head, a black drum, and a trout. So the adaptations for sheep's head is sheep's head have human-like teeth, which can easily crush barnacles. That's how they get their food. And with black drum, they have crushers in the back of their throat, which can easily crush crabs. And trout have fangs almost, so that they can get crabs and stuff and whatever flies by easily. Okay, 3 plants and a specific adaptation for survival for each. So mangroves hang over the water and grows into the water for resources, and for oysters cling onto structures and start growing to help filter the water, and so that's why our ocean's not poop. And then seagrass grows onto sandy bottom, forming a flat bottom for animals to hide and survive. So food web with 10 organisms: seaweed, barnacles, shrimp, whitebait, sheep's head, redfish, snook, trout, sharks, dolphins, and manatees. Discuss one major human impact on this particular biome. So pollution, because when trash goes into the water, fish could, trash such as plastics and all non-biodegradable, the fish can get stuck in it and grow, so they'd grow deformed, and it would not help them, because they could get stuck on anything, or the fish could eat it and they could die from it, or we could eat the fish that ate plastic, and then we could get sick. Discuss either of the water cycle or carbon cycle in relation to this biome. The water cycle is how water is moved through the ocean. The 5 specific sources where we gathered information is TC Fishing Cleanup video on our YouTube channel, TC Fishing Inshore Slam Christmas Eve Fishing, TC Fishing Anna Maria Vlog Day 2, TC Fishing Sick Manatee footage, and TC Fishing clips.